Hello everyone. Today the experiment is to determine the radius of curvature of a sphere by using spirometer. So this is a spirometer. Mainly what is spirometer? Spirometer is a instrument which is used to measure the radius of curvature of a spherical object. This is also primarily used to determine the curvature of the lens. This is a convex lens. Today the experiment to find out the radius of curvature of this lens by using this parameter. First, we should know about this parameter. Okay. Then look, what is least count? As you often know that the least count is the smallest count of a instrument. So what will the least count? The least count will be on the basis of pitch. So then what is the pitch? What is the formula of pitch? What is the definition of pitch? Pitch is the distance moved by two consecutive threads. So there are some threads. Okay. So how to measure? If you look that one complete the distance moved by one complete rotation, that will be the consecutive distance between two threads. So you can tell that pitch is the distance between two consecutive threads or the distance moved by one complete rotation of the circular scale. This is a main scale and this is a circular scale. Okay, look. Okay, now look, this 0 is coincided with this 0. Okay, you have to measure. Then one complete rotate, what distance will covered in the main scale, you have to measure it. You starts from 0 and ends in that 0. Okay, look, which mm cover? 1 mm covered. So what will the pitch? The pitch will be the 1 mm. Okay, then what is the least count? Least count is the smallest count. So how it will be calculated? Pitch by number of division in the circular scale, as mentioned in your PDF. Circular scale. So it will be 1 mm divided by number of division in the circular scale. This is the main scale, this is the circular scale, and there are 3 legs also. So how many divisions are in the circular scale? 100 divisions. Look, there are 100 divisions. Okay, so 1 by 100, it will be 0.01 mm. Okay, this will be your least count. So then we should know about how to measure of the spherical subject by using this parameter. Okay, and look, first, as mentioned in the table, you have to measure by this method. Okay, what is the formula of radius of curvature? L square by 6h plus h by 2. What is L and what is h? H is the height from the center of the lens to the curvature. Okay, so how it will be measured? Look, this is the lens and you have to measure from center to of the surface. This will be your height. Okay, then we will discuss the L after that measurement of height. Okay, how will you measure the height? And look at the table and follow step by step. First of all, you have to see the circular reading. Circular reading on initial. Look, all the 3 legs and the middle one are touched in the surface, so this will be our initial, and the 0, look, the circular scale 0 and the 1 minute. How you will confirm that all the legs are touched in the surface? So you have to take one piece of paper, then look, paper not passing through the legs, so all the legs are touched in the center, and the initial 0 and the final 0, the initial reading will be now look, the circular scale reading and main scale reading are coincided with each other. Okay, then this will be our initial value of the circular scale reading. We have to measure, as you know that how to find out the measurement, MSR plus CSR, main scale reading plus circular scale reading. Okay, so first of all we have to find out circular scale reading. How to find out? Look, circular scale reading will be initial, final minus initial. Okay, what is final, what is initial? Initial will be the initial point. Now you have not measured, you have not touched anyone, so look, the 0 is coincided with main scale 0, so this will be our in the circular scale, the 0 will be our initial, so it will be circular scale reading, initial will be 0. Then you have to find out the final. After the measurement, thus this value will comes, this will be our final value. Okay, so first you have to coincide the initial 0 of the circular and main scale. Okay, then you have to measure this length. Okay, how to measure? Look, all the legs should be touched to the surface of the lens. How it will be confirmed? By using the a piece of paper. Okay, look, not touched now because the paper is passing through it. Now the all legs touch to the surface of the lens. Okay, then you have to calculate the final circular scale reading. What will the final circular scale reading? Look, this will be 31, 2, 3, 33. Okay, so final will be 33. Okay, so what will the CSR value? CSR will be CSD into least count. Okay, how much is CSD? Final minus initial. So what will be 33 minus 0? This will be 33 into least count will be how much? 0.01. Okay, so CSR value you will find 0.33. Okay, mm. Now you have to find MSR. Okay, now look, what is the MSR in the main scale reading? Look, it looks almost 1 mm. Okay, so how it will confirm it is passes through 1 mm or not? Okay, so as you know that the pitch of the spirometer is the one complete rotation, the distance moved by one complete rotation, that will be 1 mm. so one complete rotation में वो 1 mm ही कवर करेगा. so you have to confirm by rotating it. Okay, now rotate toss to the surface. Yes, it passes through 33 to another 33. Okay, so one complete rotation was covered. Then we look another rotation. Okay, okay, this much. How it will be confirmed? By using this piece of paper. Okay, touched. So how many complete rotation are covered? One complete rotation. So MSR will be 1 mm. Okay, 1 mm. So total value will be MSR 1 mm plus CSR 0.33 mm. Total it will be 1.33 mm. This will be your height, because we are measuring from the center to the curvature surface of the lens. Okay, so it will be the height from the center to surface. Okay, now what is the L value? Okay, what is L value? Look, there are 3 legs, 1 2 and another one 3. Okay, you have to point out this 3 point. Okay, looks this 3 point, 1 2 3. Now join all 3 points. Okay, this looks like a triangle. So the L value will be the average value of these 3 sides. You can use by measuring by the scales. Okay, approximately this will comes 30 mm. This one is 30 mm, this one 30 mm, this one 30 mm, because in the scale this shows 3 centimeter. The 3 centimeter is almost equal to 30 mm. Okay, is equal to 30 mm. This one also 30, this one also 30. So it will be, the average will be 30 plus 30 plus 30 by 3 is equal to 90 by 3. So it will be 30 mm. So L is 30 mm. Okay, edge value you have found that 1.33 mm. Now you can calculate the value of radius of curvature. That formula is L square by 6h plus h by 2. Put the L value and h value and find out the answer. Okay, if any doubt on the table, look at the table once. Circular scale reading on initial, it was 0. Okay, circular scale reading on final, this one is 33. Okay, number of complete rotation, this one measures the MSR. Okay, जितना complete rotation होगा उतना ही हमारा मेन स्केल रीडिंग उतना ही होगा, क्योंकि हमारा पिच भी वही बोलता है कि वो 1 complete rotation में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है. ओके, सो इट विल बी 1 mm. Okay, number of incomplete rotation, this one, how it will be found? Final minus initial. Okay, why it will be take final minus initial? As you measured in a scale, some points, some measurement are comes under 4.6 4.7. what is 0.6 0.7? this is the incomplete rotation. कैसे मेजर करना है उसको? जैसे कि अगर हमारा स्केल जीरो से शुरू होता है और हम जब मेजर करते हैं 14.2 या 3 कुछ भी जाता है, तो कैसे मेजर करते हैं? 14.2 माइनस 0. सो इट विल बी योर फाइनल वैल्यू. दैट्स वाई वी आर डिफरेंशिएटिंग दिस वैल्यू. इफ इट विल बी फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल, it will be the answer. If the initial is greater than final, then you can take it as 100 प्लस एफ माइनस आई। ओके, अगर इनिशियल बड़ा हुआ तो फाइनल से इनिशियल नेगेटिव आएगा ना, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता मेजरमेंट में नेगेटिव आएगा। तो इसको क्या करना है, अगर ये आया 10, ये आया 30, तो कैसे करना, सॉरी ये आया 30, ये आया 10। ओके, 10 माइनस 30 तो नहीं कर सकते, उसमें क्या करना है, 100 प्लस ऐड करना है। 100 प्लस 10 इट विल बी 110 माइनस 30 इट विल बी 80। ओके, दिस वैल्यू विल कम्स इट। ओके, देन टोटल रीडिंग एज यू मैंशनड n इंटू पिच, हमारा पिच 1 mm था, नंबर ऑफ कंप्लीट रोटेशन 1, सो इट विल बी 1 प्लस y इंटू एल सी, दिस वन इज मेन स्केल, दिस वन इज सर्कुलर स्केल। ओके, व्हाट इज y, जो हम 33 निकाले थे हमारा, व्हाट इज एल सी, लिस्ट काउंट 0.01, सो टोटल वैल्यू इट विल बी लुक लाइक, ओके, 1 इंटू 1 mm प्लस सी एच डी इंटू एल सी 33, जो कि सी एच डी हम वाई लिए हैं। ओके, 33 इंटू 0.01, दिस विल बी 0.33, तो टोटल वैल्यू एच वैल्यू 1.33। ओके, देन मीन डिस्टेंस, जो एल का वैल्यू मैं तुम्हें बताया था, जो 3 पॉइंट्स को लेना है, वो जो 3 लेग्स को पॉइंट आउट करके एक ट्राइंगल बनाना है, ट्राइंगल बनाने के बाद डिवाइडेड बाय 3 कर देना है, उसका एवरेज वैल्यू जो कि हमारा 30 mm आया था, उसके बाद ये वैल्यू पुट करो, आंसर निकालो। ओके, क्लियर? ओके देन, थैंक यू।